Hello, hi, myself Ganesh. Today I will discuss about latest interview questions and answers. Please wait 5 more minutes. Okay. Today we'll discuss about latest WebSphere interview questions and answers. Okay. Okay. Today we'll discuss about latest WebSphere interview questions and answers. Tell me about yourself. Okay. Okay. Today, okay. Myself, tell me Ganesh, about yourself. Having 5+ years of total IT experience. Okay. Currently myself, tell me about working in software services. Total IT experience. Currently working or associated. Okay. Currently working in and roles and responsibilities or day-to-day activities in the current project. Roles and responsibilities or day-to-day activities in the current project. First one, install the installation manager. Using the installation manager, by using IBM Installation Manager bundles. Installation Manager bundles using the install the manager WebSphere products by using WebSphere ND products version 8.5 under 9 version 9 using the installation manager WebSphere ND products version 8.5 under 9 version creating the using the creating the profile and its federation using CLI and UI mode creating the profile and its federation using CLI and UI mode to configure the clusters using the WS admin scripts and DMGR console level. Configure the clusters DMGR console level. WS admin scripts and configure the LDAP using DMGR console LDAP using clusters base DN and bind DN properties. Configure the LDAP bind DN properties. Next one, configure the data source. Bind DN. Configure the data source in version 8.5 and version 9.0.5. 0.5 and the data source updated the fixed packs with the latest two versions. Latest two versions version 8.5.5.28 and version 9.0.5.25. Okay, this is the latest version of fixed and latest two versions. Configure the maximum headers in the WebSphere console level. Okay, this is the latest version WebSphere console level based on the configure the client requirements 9 to 1 in the we will involve the Linux patching and DB patching requirements in both non-prod and prod environments. Involve the Linux patching and DB patching migration in the environment. And recently I have migrated the IHS version 8.5 to version 9.0 migration in the environment. And recently I have migrated the IHS version 8.5 to version 9.0 and performed the log rotation using the Ansible playbook after the upgradation of IHS version 8.52 version 9.0, logs are not able to rotate it after the rotation. In this scenario, we are implemented the log rotation scripts. In this scenario, we are implemented certified in log rotation WebSphere rotation scripts version 9.0 in the year of September 2023. There is no expiration date. Version 9.0 the year of one. The year of September 2023. There is no expiration date. Version 9.0 the year of one. The year of September 2023. There is no expiration date. After that, recently certified in AI 102 in the month of January 2026. Recently certified in AI 102 14th AWS Professional January 2026 Solution Architect certified in the year of 2022. AWS Professional January 2026 Solution Architect 15th one certified received the appreciation from the client to resolve the out of memory issues in the production environment. Within certain time, out of memory issues in the production environment. Okay. In the production environment, weekends we are performing the WebSphere changes. Like deployment or DCDR activities. Or performing the WebSphere changes. Like deployment or DCDR activities. Question number 2. See, what is the federation of the node? Okay. How to federate the node to the DMGR? Question number 2. Okay. Answer. See, what is the federation of the node? Okay. How to federate the node to the DMGR? Question number 2. First, okay. Answer. First, we are installing the installation manager. Installation manager from WebSphere product. WebSphere ND products. Later, we will create the profiles using CLI mode. WebSphere product. WebSphere ND products. Later, we will create the profiles and CLI mode. Syntax to create the profiles. Bash code nothing but OPT IBM, WebSphere and app server, and this is the bin. In this path, we can create bash code under that run the below command to create the WebSphere profiles. WebSphere profiles and its structures. First one, the DMGR. You can use DMGR or management template we are using. And application server profile. Application server profile we are using default as a template. Default as a template. We are using default as a template. Okay. Application custom profile we are using default as a managed template. We are using self profile. We are using self template. We are using self template. Managed template. Self template and job manager or admin agent. We are using management template. 5 and 6. 5 and 6 and job manager or admin agent. We are using and secure proxy. Management template. 5 and 6. Secure proxy. You can use 5 and 6 configuration template. Configuration template we are using as a default. Once profile is created, you can use bash code under that dot slash manage profiles dot sh hyphen create hyphen profile name DMGR01 under that hyphen profile path under that bash home under that bash home slash profiles under that DMGR01 hyphen template path hyphen profile path under that slash OPT IBM slash WebSphere profiles under that app server under that profile templates Under that management template we are using hyphen select dmgr underscore cell1 here hyphen node name dmgr underscore node1 hyphen starting port hyphen starting port 19034 and we can use security hyphen admin. We can use the security as security. Okay, this is the syntax of the profiles. Okay, under federation and same starting 19034. This is DMGR. App server profile. This is the syntax of the profiles. Okay. And same copy paste here. Instead of DMGR01, APPSRV01. APPSRV01. And use here default template. Instead of DMGR01, we are using APPSRV01. APPSRV01. And use here default template. Instead of DMGR01, we are using 19054 user number. Okay. This is the syntax for creation of the profiles. Okay, syntax for creation of the profiles. Okay. Okay. And this is later we will start the DMGR. This is the using dot class dot manager dot sh in OPT IBM WebSphere app server under that profile using profiles under DMGR01 and bin. This is the part in this part only we will start the DMGR. Start the DMGR. Later, you can use dot and bash home. Bash home. We will start the DMGR. Or you can use the DMGR slash OPT IBM WebSphere app server under that profiles under that app server one and bin run the command dot slash yard node dot sh yard node dot sh server DMGR host name under that app server one DMGR bin run the command DMGR yard node soap connector port number. By default, soap connector port number is 8879 is the default DMGR. The command DMGR soap connector port number. By default, soap connector port number is 8879 is the default soap connector port number. Okay. Default DMGR. This is the question number 2. We need to elaborate like this. In the interview point of view, we can elaborate like this. While going to interview like this, we need to explain. 79 is the default soap connector port number. How to generate the plugins? This is question number 2. Okay, this is correct like this. In the answer interview point of view, we can elaborate and log in SSH with the DMGR. Like this, we need to explain DMGR. Default soap connector port number. How to generate the DMGR? Login SSH to DMGR. Login DMGR and a VAS home. And by that, and a VAS home. Last OPT IBM WebSphere app server profiles. Under that DMGR01 under the bin run the command gen plugins cfg.sh. I will show you in the screenshot. CD WebSphere app server profile. CD. This is my DMGR path located here. The bin from the command profiles under DMGR and the bin. And here you can see ls WebSphere. Then plugins fg.sh is the script. Okay. By using this, by using then plugins fg.sh, you can use generate the plugins and propagate the plugins. By using this, or you can use admin console. fg.sh is the script. Okay. Using this, like this, you can use. This is the evidence. You can see, you can perform interview point of view like this. Okay. Log in the DMGR, you can perform. Suppose example, I will say this is the example. For this, the evidence. You can perform interview point of view like this. Okay. Log in the DMGR. I will log in my DMGR. I will log in my DMGR. HTTPS 160.250.164.9043/IBM/console. DMGR. I will log in my DMGR. And I configure as config admin. Password cannot say 164.9043/IBM/console. So go to here. This is my business server. This is my production server. Okay. Configure as config admin. See, you can use generate and propagate the plugins like this. So go to here. This is my business server. This is my production server. Can use like this. You can generate and propagate the plugins. Okay. Or and like this we can use, or the plugins like this. We will generate and propagate the plugins. It is in the DMGR console also, DMGR console itself also. Or and like this, or the plugins like this. We will generate and propagate the plugins. This is in the DMGR console. DMGR. You cannot disclose server details to interview point of view. What information available in plugin cfg.xml? Cannot disclose server details to interview point of view. So in the plugin -cfg.xml file consists of information available plugin cfg.xml. First one, round robin algorithm. Round robin algorithm. In the plugin -cfg.xml file consists of round robin algorithm. J session ID and clone IDs. Clone IDs. Third one. Plugin -p.kdb. Plugin -p.rdb relational database. Plugin -p.sth. Fourth one. URI and URL also available. Available and RDB relational virtual host port numbers. Plugin port numbers. And the sixth one. Fourth one. Sixth one. URL and cluster members available. Members also available and RDB relational host available. Okay, this is the question number 5. Question number 5. And the sixth one. Fourth one. Windows here. Cluster members available. Members are in WebSphere available. Variables. We need to change the names. Which file need to change? Cluster members in WebSphere available variables. We need to change the. See how to verify certificate expiry date. File CD OPT IBM WebSphere app server under that bin. Use OpenSSL. How to verify certificate expiry date? File CD OPT IBM. See WebSphere app server under S that underscore bin. Client. Use and OpenSSL. Connect. DMGR hostname 160.250.146.164 9043 hyphen source search underscore client hyphen connect and connect. Yes, this is the certificate expiry date 160.250.146.164 90 January 6. Source search underscore client hyphen connect and connect. Yes, this is the certificate expiry date 160.250.148. Or we can use January 6. Or we can use CD OPT IBM HTTP server under that bin and run the command dot slash GSACMD hyphen set hyphen list hyphen DB. Or we can use CD HSR KDB hyphen PW under that bin WebS dot slash GSACMD. By default password is WebS, okay? Hyphen expiry. See, this is the certificate expiry date and time. Hyphen PW that bin WebS dot by default password is WebS, okay? This is also latest interview question. See, this is the certificate expiry date and time. Latest interview question. How to guard security and passwords? Question number 6. Go to here, resources. Go to security and global security. Under this, Java authentication authorization, J2C authentication, we can configure here. Question number 6. And user ID and a password here, okay? This is resources updated in the security.xml. I will show you for sample. Security. Under this, Java authentication authorization, J2C authentication, we can configure here. Question number 6. And user ID and a password here, okay? Go to this resources here updated in the security.xml. I will show you which file need to modify. It is security.xml is modifying, okay? We can use this, okay? Like this, we can configure. File need to modify. It is security.xml is modifying, okay? How to configure LDAP? Okay. Like how to configure LDAP? By using base DN and a binder DN and the LDAP host host name and LDAP port number. Due to this, you can configure. Go to here. L global security. Here, federation available. These are the repositories are available. And the standard OS registry and the standard custom registry, local OS and federation repository and configure here. To this, you can configure. Go to here. See here, add repositories. Okay. This default repository. These are the repositories are available. See, under that manage repository. And here custom registry. See, federation repository and configure here. To this, you can configure. See here, add repositories. Okay. This default repository. These are the repositories. This is under the config admin repository. Here custom registry. Federation repository and configure here. Go to your add repositories. Can create the repository, LDAP repository. See here, primary host default is 389. By using base DN and base DN and bind DN passwords and use this, you can configure like this. Repository, okay. This is the latest. This is the latest interview question. Here, primary question number 8. Default is 389. By using base DN and bind base DN and bind DN passwords and use this, you can configure like this. This is the latest. This is the latest interview question. Here. So here, question number 8. Question: if DM job is not available, and we will generate them through the scripts dot HD and dot TXT formats are available for dumps. For analysis, we have default heap and thread analyzer tools are available, or we can raise PMR case to IBM. For IBM, that is HTTPS www.ibm.com/support are available. This is the support case. You can raise the PMR to IBM. Case to IBM. For IBM, that is I will show you. You can type IBM support case. Now log in business ID. I have no business ID. You have kept all. IBM support case. Now log in business ID. I have no business ID. You have kept all. I have forgot the password. Code we can receive 4 digits code. I have forgot the password. Code we can receive 4 digits code. 518. We are logging the PMR case. We are logging the PMR case. So here, we need to change the PMR. We need to use the PMR case. See, I have raised the PMR case with IBM. We need to change the PMR. We need to use the PMR case. See, November 21, 2023, I used my PMR case. Okay, but because due to the one issue, I have raised the PMR case. Okay. If you want to really raise, open the case with IBM. 21, 2023, I used my PMR case. Okay, because one and here use due to the one issue, IBM WebSphere ND product. ND product. When the case with IBM 21, 2023. Fish pack. 1 sheet. Product. Here ND product. WebSphere. ND product. Application server. Fish pack. 1 sheet. Version is 8.5 or we can use 9.0 and critical. We need to register then only. See, we need to register, otherwise they can not access. We can write here and assign the all the things. Okay, then we can access this. Okay, like this we can raise the PMR to IBM. Which command need to generate? Means critical. We need to register then only. See, we need to register, otherwise they can not access. We can write here and assign the all the things. Okay, then we can access this and kill -3 like this, PID for which command Java thread means critical. And for heap need to use GUI DMGR console. Go to here, -3 PID. Go to here, troubleshooting. And Java heap dumps and code dumps. And select here, generate heap dump. This is the path OPT IBM WebSphere app server. This is the path. And the Java code dumps need to generate here. Select here how to identify real time and issues and how to stop the. I will explain each and everything. How to stop auto generated dumps, how to configure modify LDAP, and this is how overview. Okay, I have no time. I have overview these things. Okay, go to here. Go to here and how to WebSphere application service and go to here Indian underscore cluster 1 and go to Java process management and process definition and here Java virtual machines. We need to use here initial memory and maximum memory. You can use 1024 and 1024 also we can use. No issues in this. Okay, Java can use this also, no issues. and we can select verbose GC logs. By using this unwanted memory, you can delete this unwanted memory. You can delete this. Also, latest interview question. I forgot to write here. What is the garbage collection? GC logs. By using this, you have removed unwanted memory in the server. Okay. Unwanted memory, you can delete. This also latest interview question. And one more thing, how to stop the auto-generated dumps means what this is how to stop auto-generated dumps in the WebSphere. Use this -x dumps. You have removed unwanted. We can use this. We can use this, and you can stop the automatic generated dumps. Okay. -x dumps none. Okay. This is you can use this. And how to configure LDAP and which file need to modify this. So I will go to here in the WebSphere, IBM, WebSphere app server, under that profiles, under that DMGR, under that config, under that Vim. And how to configure LDAP and which file need to modify this. So I will go to DMGR, Vim, config, IBM, WebSphere app server, under that profile, Vim config.xml, Vim, under that Vim config.xml. You can use this. See, config Vim config.xml. This is the default entries. 389 is the port number. Shift G. This is the Vim config.sh. Vim config.xml. This is the default entries. 389 is the port number. 636 is the LDAP security port number. Okay. This is the and here FFDC logs. What is the path of FFDC logs? CD OPT. IBM WebSphere app server. Under the profiles, and app server 1, under the logs, this is the path, ls-lqrh, CD FFDC. First failure data capture. For this, information is clearly visible in this log. All system out logs are not updating. We will update here clearly in the error report. See, connection is refused. Failure data capture. Where 2/1/2026. Okay. Information is clearly visible in this line. All system out logs are not updated. So like this, you can visible clearly in the error report. Okay, and WebSphere variables purpose, you can use WebSphere variables. Go to here, go to environment, go to WebSphere variables, and click here. You can change it. And WebSphere variables purpose, or you can use Indian cluster. WebSphere variables. Go to here. See, environment. It will changes ABC, DEF. Okay. And suppose which file need to modify here. See, variables.xml file only it will see. Variables.xml it will modify. Okay. This is the most important real-time interview question. DEF. Okay. And suppose which file need to modify here. Okay. See, where so here, this is session replication or session first time is, suppose send request to the same request you continuously send to the WebSphere or any site, that is nothing but session replication. Okay, that is the most important question. What is the default KDB? Webas is the default. Okay, this is the default password. This is sent to the WebSphere variables.xml file. That is nothing but FFDC location path is
That is the most important question.
PWD.
Where is the default? Suppose this is the default password.
This is the default FFD. 14.1. Answer is 389 without security. And with the security 636. Okay. Use
FFD.
and use -x dumps
That is
none in generic
without security.
JVM arguments. Generic JVM arguments. Okay. You can use this generic JVM arguments. Okay. How to identify means verify the system out.logs. We will see out of memory exception
Can use this generic
in these logs.
How to identify means
We need to analyze the dumps
verify
with the heap and the thread dumps. Thread dumps. We need to verify the heap thread dumps. Suppose in one of the
We need to analyze
application takes more than 2 GB. We need to report IBM report IBM report to application team.
In one of the we need to
Application team. So they will build the new ER file and we will deploy the same ER file into the business, into the DMGR console, into the DMGR console in of the business hours. This is out of memory issue we can identify. Okay. This is the latest interview questions and answers. Please share to your friends and family members. Those who are learning WebSphere interview, WebSphere and WebLogic. This is the most recent interview questions which was asked by Accenture. Okay. I will stop the sharing. Please share to your friends and family members. Those who are
share to your friends and family members.
Those who are learning WebSphere and anything. Okay. It will very helpful to others.
Questions.